Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Uba Prestone tensong uloong ruba dan Jingmut ban Jubab say ki Jingkynnoh Bamsap do President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ublong ba ka Sorkar Mda kadai ka Bamsap khamtam katnat ki kampo yeng uba Prestone uloong ba kini ki Jingkynnoh kadai ki baklem nong rim bar hari India manu kila ban Kynnoh yanu ha kanu kapor ne kanu kasngi hindre uloong balada ki kwa ban Kynnoh kidai ru ban Mpcc ka.
I think no use to respond to such allegation made, which is totally baseless. That's what I'm telling you. So the democracy that we have in India is what? Baseless allegation can be made anytime, any day, any moment. But let me just reiterate one thing. Any allegation made, please substantiate it. The law of the land is prevailing. Be it chief minister, be it deputy chief minister, be it ministers, or be it NMLA. The law of the land prevails. So therefore, just reacting the allegation made, I think I don't want to make any reaction on this, because today, if I say something, tomorrow again they may say any party they can again come back saying this. I think we don't have much time. Let, as I said to the people of the state, judge whether the allegation made is correct or not.